Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. I hope everyone is doing well. So I'm going to really ask for your attention in this video if you're interested in making a hell of a lot of money over the next 2 weeks and in the future for 2024 and beyond. And I'm talking about tens of thousands of dollars, guys. So by now, chances are you've probably heard about the map system. Regardless, tune into this video. I've got absolutely everything open to my ledger, my clicks, calculator to show you some things. I'm going to take some notes. I'm going to talk about the bonuses that I put together, which I've been working on for absolutely weeks. We'll talk about, I think, over my people that have joined underneath my link. They have generated so far $12,442. This system that we are talking about, basically, it is currently in phase 2, and we're going to talk about the numbers on that. There is currently 605 people have joined, and we're just going to have a look at the maths on that. 605 multiplied by 797 is $482,185, and that is just in the space of around 3 weeks. They have done close to $500,000. I believe in this system so much that I'm expecting to make at least $50,000 with this promotion by the end of this month, and I think there's just so much opportunity there for so many people in this. So let's just get in and look at some of the numbers first. Then we'll talk about the bonuses, we'll talk about the traffic, we'll talk about the clicks. I have a lot to show in this video, guys. So now, I want you to keep in mind that I joined when there was around 250 people had already joined. So basically around 350 have joined since that in the past 2 weeks for me. So there was hundreds and hundreds of marketers on board promoting this, and lots of people making a lot of money. Even newbies who had just started off were making their first sale. So even though I was very late to actually join in, you can see I've already done $31,000 with this. And you could say the past week or 10 days, I've not even been pushing it at all. Now, the reason I think this is so time urgent now is, I just want to explain this, that there is 13 days and 7 hours left in the remaining of phase 2. So for the past 3-4 weeks, a lot of people have been pushing this, and you will notice with any type of launch, there's always going to be a massive amount of sales at the start, and then during the middle of it, there's always going to be a little bit of a dip, a belly in it, and then it's going to shoot back up again. And that's exactly what I expected, and that's, you could say, one of the reasons why I have not been pushing it in the past week or so. I believe now is going to be the absolutely best time to jump on board. I am preparing, I'm working at it, I'm building my landing pages, I'm adding hundreds of leads to my list every day, and we know over the next 2 weeks, there's just going to be more. This will probably end up doing, I wouldn't be surprised if it reached over $1 million during this whole launch. So there is a lot of money to be made, guys. What I'm doing here, because I've put so much work into the bonuses, the funnels and everything like that, I want you guys to get access to everything that I put together for you, all the trade and all the bonuses and everything. Set this up now within the next week, and you will be on fire for the last 10 days of this to make an absolute killing with it. So let's just look at some of the numbers. As we can see here, you know, there's people are on board, they're promoting it, and it's just it's one of the easiest ways to make money I've ever seen. So the way it works, guys, is you get 75% commission on the current offers that are in place in phase 2. So there's only one option to purchase now. In phase 3, there's going to be different options. So basically, the option now is platinum. Anyone that joins now for $797 gets platinum access. They get all the tools, all the training, live webinars, all access pass, and they get 100% commission on all upsell 1, 75% commission on all levels, 50% commission on all other upgrades, 10% commission on clicks, and you get the 2-tier commission as well. 2-tier commission is super important with this. As I said, it is a 2-tier system, so for every person that makes a sale underneath me, so far there's been 22x, and I get basically $47 for every time someone makes a sale underneath me. My God, 47 multiplied by 22. I've already made over $1,000 in 2-tier sales from doing absolutely nothing with this. But it's also in my interest for you guys to make as much money as possible with this. So that explains all the bonuses and everything that I put together. Right, before I get into that, while I have the calculator out, I just want to explain the big change and why this is going to make everyone a lot of money in April, May, June, July for years and months to come. To explain it, come in 14 days time, the price for the platinum is going to be $97 per month. Now, this is why us smart people are going to jump on board, pay a one-time fee and never have to pay $97 per month. Next month, the $97 per month offer will be selling and it will be opening. Right, so let's pretend you join next month and you pay $97 per month. You market the system and you end up getting 2 people underneath you. So basically you end up getting, you've got $196 and you're going to end up getting 75% of that. So you're going to be paying $97 per month, but you're going to be generating $147 per month just with 2 members. If you got 20 members in, you're going to be generating $1,400 per month. My point here is that once you get people in the door, they will continue paying $97 per month, and you as an affiliate will basically earn 75% commission on that $97, which will keep you in the system. It is just excellently built up. I've seen systems like this before. I've made tens of thousands of dollars with systems like this before, but never where you're getting 75% commission, guys. And that is just going to be, that's the big money maker. To put it another way, let's look at this. If I had joined as a free member and I generated all these clicks and sales, I would have made $9,000. If I was a silver member, I would have made $15,000. If I was a gold member, $19,000. Because I'm a platinum member, it's $31,000. So there's just a massive, massive selling point in that for the long-term future. You know, just for months and years to come, this is just going to be an outstanding product to promote. So, right, let's look at next. This is our link settings. Basically, you can see this. I want to show you here the part of the offer that John and Omar send all their traffic to the rotator links, which includes your affiliate link. So John and Omar have already sent me, I've got 100 clicks per page. They've sent me 100, 200. They've sent me around 260 clicks to this. So that's free traffic you get from John. That is the click stats. You can put in tracking links. You can do anything you want with that. And then you also have your ledger here, which I want to show you something here as well. Here you can see the payments. So basically these are full sales on me. These are 2 tower sales that come in, and you can see 2 tower sales, all these sales, commission 556, 553, depending on the processor. It adds up really, really fast, guys, as you can see the earnings here so far. Right, what has made all this possible for me? I really put it down to the bonuses that I've offered and the bonuses that I'm going to give you guys to offer. So I have made, this is the bonus. There's an introduction video, another introduction video. You get access to a free traffic generation course. You get access to 10 bonus ideas. You get access to my new traffic resource. This morning I added 10 new bonuses, 10 landing page headlines for MAP. Some people are struggling with landing page headlines, so I've created 10. I've created a rebrandable report, so you can use this, rebrand it with your affiliate link, give it away, build your list. I provided an 8-part traffic generation course with giveaway rights. You can give this away to build your list, use it as a bonus. You're going to get access to premium PLR reports. This is 13 complete, done for your funnels. These actually sell, the value of this is $884, so you're getting that absolutely free. And you're going to get a landing page and a download page, which is probably the most powerful part about this. I just want to open up the pages here. I don't want to show the links. Just give me 1 second. So this is the landing page. People are struggling with landing pages. My headlines will help that. It's easy to create a landing page, but it's the download page which is really delivering massive, massive results. So I'm giving you permission to import this to convert it with 1 click, or if you want, you can copy and paste it and build it with any page builder you want. As you can see, it's just a standard headline. But let's look at the bonus page. So this is the bonus page when people sign up. You build your list, you use this bonus page, and you'll be able to provide them with a link to all this. So you'll be able to give them access to the 25K in 3 days training program, the 10 exclusive bonus map ideas, my new traffic strategy, which is working unbelievably, Free Traffic Shotgun 2.0, you will be able to share this bonus. So I'll make it a viral system that anyone that uses this system will be able to win. And we'll be able to benefit from it. So they'll be able to share all this bonus pages, all the bonuses, the landing pages with their customers, and of course use them as well. And the new bonuses, the landing page headline ideas, the rebrandable report, the traffic generation course, premium PLO reports, $858 in value, and the landing page plus this download template for promoting map. Again, I've just updated this more and more, guys. This template has generated over $30,000. You can use it in your marketing. So I think that's a massive, massive benefit and plus. So this is it, guys. The timer is ticking. The sooner you get in, the more money you make. That is the easiest way of putting it. You're going to get access to all my bonuses. You'll get direct access to me, John Omar, his entire support team, a community inside the Facebook group where there's hundreds of people just actively enjoying the community and helping each other. I cannot recommend it enough. If you want to take the plunge, take the risk, and start generating these kind of commission checks, this is the best opportunity out there, guys. So click the link below, and I look forward to connecting with you. You'll get instant access to all the bonuses. You'll get an email from me straight away with the bonuses, and you can reach out to me on Facebook or a support desk. This is Kevin Faddy. Have an awesome day, and thank you.